Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to your EVS class. As you know, class, we have started our new chapter, chapter 7. We need water. In the previous class, we have discussed about the need of water and the sources of water and the surface water sources. So, class, our new topic is groundwater sources. Means we get water from the underground, below the ground. So, there are two types, spring and wells. Spring, it takes place in hilly areas where the porous and non-porous rocks meet together and the groundwater comes out. Porous rocks means having pores in the rock, having pores. Pores means hole in the rocks, and non-porous without holes in the rock. And when both the rocks meet together, the water from the ground comes out. So this is the source of groundwater, and it takes place in hilly areas. And wells. In villages, important source of groundwater is well. And what is well? Well is a big hole. Well is a big hole dug in the earth surface. Okay? ये एक हमारा big hole होता है जो हम dug करते हैं हमारे earth surface पे to drawn out the water from underground. Means जब हम पानी को बाहर निकालते हैं ground water को. Okay? It is a big hole dug. And in villages, important source of water, groundwater is wells. And we should cover the mouth of the well properly, so because the water of the well is safe for drinking, so it may be clean. We should cover it properly. Next, ways of groundwater extraction. Means वो हमारे क्या क्या methods हैं groundwater extract करने के. Meaning of extraction is drawn out. किसी चीज को बाहर निकालना. ठीक है? So there are two ways. First one tube well, second one hand pumps. Tube well का जो होता है वो हमारे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलता है क्योंकि उसमें मोटर कनेक्टेड होती है. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वेल एंड ट्यूब वेल इज दैट ट्यूब वेल इज ऑपरेट विद द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिकॉज इट हैज मोटर विद इट and it works with the motor. When we switch on the button, it start working and drawn out the water from ground. Okay? And hand pump is a long iron pipe and heavy hard pipe we dig in a ground, and it also has a handle. When we do it up and down, the water came out. In tube well, electricity is needed. In hand pump, no electricity is needed. Okay, because tube well has motor attached with it, and both tube wells and hand pumps are used to irrigate field. Means farmers use water to grow their crops, and farmers use these ways to irrigate their field. Irrigate means जब वो water देते हैं अपनी crops को, that means irrigation. Next, वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट. वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट्स जो आपकी मशीनरी लगाई जाती है आपके वाटर को प्योरीफाई करने के लिए. ट्रीटमेंट मीन्स टू मेक वाटर प्योर. वाटर फ्रॉम रिवर्स एंड लेक इज प्योरीफाइड एट द वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट एंड मेड वाटर सेफ फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. ओके, सो इसमें क्या किया जाता है, आपका जो वाटर आता है रिवर और लेक से वो आपका प्योरीफाई किया जाता है क्योंकि जो वाटर आपका द वाटर फ्रॉम द रिवर्स एंड द लेक इज नॉट सेफ फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. So the water from the rivers and lake is purified at the water treatment plant and made it safe for drinking. And further it is reaches the houses with the network of pipes. आपने देखा होगा गाजियाबाद में, दिल्ली में जो आपके रिवर्स और लेक का जो वाटर होता है उसको प्योरीफाई किया जाता है क्योंकि वो पानी आपके पीने के लिए बिल्कुल सूटेबल नहीं होता और फिर वो आपके घर तक पहुंचाया जाता है थ्रू द पाइप्स. नेक्स्ट, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग. रेन वाटर, आपका जो रेन वाटर होता है इट इज द प्योरेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर, बट वी कैन नॉट यूज इट फॉर ड्रिंकिंग. Why? Because it contains dust particles and gases in it, which makes the rainwater dirty, impure. Okay? So rainwater harvesting, we cannot drink the rainwater, but what we can do with the rainwater, we can collect it in a container and we can use it for different purpose like watering the plants in other household purpose also. Okay, so this is all about today. Thank you class. Stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.